the new Makita DCM500Z cordless coffee maker. What's in the box? Some documentation, paperwork. Very well packed, multilingual instructions. Empty. Ooh. A 110 computer cord. Not very long, but it's a standard plug. Slide-in 18-volt battery receiver and plug-in as well. The specs say you can do 2 cups of coffee on a 3.0 amp hour battery. Maybe that was a 4 amp hour battery. 2 separate plugs for AC and DC. Let's see. Got that thing there. That thing there. I don't know. This K-cup question. I think you got to make it from scratch. Let's see. Water goes in the back. And there you have it. 120 volt, 18 volt, made in China. I was going to say Japan. Date codes, what else? 200 watts coffee maker. I don't know anything about that, if it's necessary or not. It's got a US label on it. Oh, it's UL listed. There you go. What did I tell you? Oh, and you get a spoon. Almost overlooked the most important thing, a coffee spoon.